I never started on YouTube. YouTube has been actually not bad for the stream. Like to the point where I'm thinking, hey, maybe it might be worth um integrating chat somehow. Breaking the rules, breaking the law, you know. Wait, is Discord acting up for anybody else? I'm getting the weird nope, can't connect thingy. Yeah, I don't. Big gamey.
Don't mess with my toot toot. I know you have another woman. Don't mess with my toot toot.
Big gamey. Just for that, I'm going to shout you out. That'll show you. I think. No, that's not how it works, is it? All right. Asset library. What was this? What was this thingy that I just added on Smart Shape? Smart Shape. Smart. I'm doing all right. Doing all right. Had a power outage earlier today, and it was, it's 90 degrees here today for some reason. Forgetful programmer, you are so wrong on that count. I wish you knew how wrong you were there. The people on YouTube who are watching are like, what the hell's going on? I'm playing Tenacious D's Lee for our friend Bit Me. They're just seeing me like lip syncing along to nothing. What is wrong with this? Okay. Unfollowed. Unfollowed. Erase, delete, never saw it. Where? Great, lost the playlist. There we go. All right. Chem Crabs, I know that feeling. There have been several days where I'm just like, my finger right above that start button. And I can't do it.
Hello and welcome to another Godot tutorial, this time about a plugin called Smart
Okay,
Shape
we're gonna
2D.
watch a little bit of this
In the beginning of this video,
tutorial.
I show you through this maze. My first step is to set up the fill texture. I use the fill texture that I exported from Aseprite and drag and drop it into the
Okay,
slot.
it's a test scene, shape closed.
As you can see, you see nothing. To see the shape, we have to add some points. You can do that with the menu on the top. Click to add points and start with a simple shape. You can press escape to cancel this process.
Hildan, welcome
and
in.
then
Good to see you.
Use the blue arrow tool at the top to add more points at any time.
Okay, so what I'm seeing here is we have the shape closed. Okay, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna do a shape closed. And what is it? Materials. Fill texture. All right, all right. So this is where I need to do stuff in a sprite, I think. Honestly, I kind of just want to look at all that. Meow. But it's supposed to be closed. Now what? What the? Oh, good God, no. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. What? Okay, okay, okay. So, what is going on here? Stop. Whatever it is you're doing, stop. Okay, refresh. Editor to be able to get on. Now, materials. No, I don't know if I do that here. Fill texture. Right, so here's what this is. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be easier to... What just happened there? What the hell? What? Where did it go? Ah. All right, all right, all right. Let's try to follow instructions here. Let's... Hold on, kinda. It's kinda like that, but let me pull up the tutorial thing here. Actually, let's go back to the asset lib. And hold on. Let's look at the add-ons. Get out of here. Oh, you don't have the stuff in here? You don't have like things for me to mess around with here? It's just not cool. Okay, shapes, toolbar, quick start. Let's do quick start. Okay, shape closed. Editing the shape, we do that. Setting the fill. Assign a texture to that. Okay. Um, why is brain not braining right? Image texture. There we go. No, that's not what I wanted. I wanted a potentially Atlas texture. All right, let's see here. Pixel snap. There we are. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. AX. Sixteen, 16. 16, 16. Okay. Okay, we got that. Hill done. Nice. Lightling, what is up? Welcome in. All right, so we've got that. Render edges. Wait, something's wrong here. What the? Is it not taking the...
Do it! Just do it!
All right, it seems that it doesn't want to use the thing the way that I have it. Okay, so there we go. All right, so now we have that. Welcome in, Ryan. Good to see you. Hey, I've only finished one, technically. Under shape material. Expand fill textures, you'll see an empty array, so the array says to 1, but the fill textures do not affect open shapes. Fill texture normals. Property, okay. No, Ryan, I've never forgotten you. Just like simple minds, I won't forget about you. No, no, no. Okay, so where was it? Where was it? Fill texture. Fill texture normal property. Is anybody seeing the fill texture bake or fill texture normal property? It says fill texture normals. No, that's not it. I don't think it really matters at this point. Um, okay, maybe let's just skip that part. Let's skip that part. Fill textures does not affect open shapes. I don't see. Okay, fill texture normals. It doesn't exist. Doesn't exist here. Okay, under shape material, add an element to the edge. Meta materials property. Add element. Wait, what? Set the resource of the newly created element to under shape material, add that shape material edge meta material. Right? Set the resource to SS2D material edge metadata. Okay. And then the first element, shape material, edge material, element 1, edge material. Okay, element to textures. Good God. Let's see. 16 by 16. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Oh, not 160. What the heck? There we go. Ian Michael, welcome in over on YouTube. It is the Godot. This is definitely the Godot. Edge material. There. Wait, there's something not right there. I have to do, whoa, look at all those colors. That seems to work here as an atlas, but maybe I need to just do, maybe I need to do something, because I put it as an atlas texture, which should work in theory, but it might be a limitation of the add-on here. So, Jay and Michael over on YouTube, I'm working on a platformer. It's a continuation of a game that I made for, what is going on here? Continuation of a game that I made for Ludum Dare, and I'm hoping that I can expand it into something a little bit more interesting to show where I was. Excuse me. Also, welcome in Tommy Bro. How you doing? You got exciting news? Cool. Go ahead if you want to tell. So the game that I am working on, or that I'm using as a basis here, is this grappling game. Tommy, that's awesome. Congratulations. And now the game is basically an upside down jump king, is how I've been describing it. And what I mean by that is, instead of falling down back to the beginning, hey, look at that. I left all my collision debugs on. Hold on. There, that's a lot better. So you can't jump at all. And if you fall too far, the wind brings you back up. And you have to time it right, otherwise the wind brings you back up. But I feel like having it tile map based is kind of limiting. So that's why I'm experimenting with this this whatever the heck it was called, Smart Shape 2D, so that we could have a little bit better edges, maybe a little bit more rounded. But last night made some changes. Oh, got it. To where I can now edit each grapple point's radius individually. Oh, okay. Oh, ooh, that was close. And so it's meant to be, oh. Rage inducing indeed. Look at that. Look at that.
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
Not this time, Bit Gaming, but I do appreciate you asking. Cat beans indeed. Cat beans indeed. Meow. Oh. So yeah, I'm trying to experiment with this plugin from the asset library, Smart Shit 2D. Smart Shape 2D. Wow. Gotta wake up a little bit. Wake up a little bit. That looks really cool to get these kind of dynamic shapes, but this is where it seems a little bit odd, where I have to have the tiles individual instead of like using what I'm using here, trying to use an atlas or an edge data metamaterial. Because you would think you would think that doing it like this might that it would look like that. It would be good. Filter clip? No. However, wait, what's that? Wait, should I have not done? No, that's edge material. Right? There's a normal range. Okay, so it's doing something there. Taper sharp, no. What is it even rendering? It's not rendering what I was wanting to. Oh no, Big Gamey gave me a clip. Hold on, let's see what we got here. Also, thank you for clips. From the asset library, I appreciate clips. It really helps out with the algorithm. Wow. Now, if I could actually turn on the volume and hear what's going on, I think I have it. From the asset library, Smart Shit 2D. Smart Shape 2D. Wow. Featured. Featured. Thank you, Big Gamey. All right, so let's do this. Let's so all right, J.E. and Michael, can I call you something shorter? Something shorter, but if not, it's fine. I'll call you whatever you want. But so right now what I'm fighting with is just figuring out, can I use a tile map here as the Ian? Okay. Thank you for that. Can I use, so what I'm fighting with is, can I use a tile map as edge material and just, or use an atlas, whatever, or is there a better way BitGamey, I don't want to violate the laws. I don't want to break the laws that are Twitches. I don't want DJ Clancy dropping in and dropping the hammer on me. Oh, and I am all about the clickbait. I mean, if you want to find out all the ways that I'm clickbaity, be sure to tune in tomorrow when I go over everything that I do to make it clickbaity. So, what I'm thinking I need to do, because what I'm attempting is using the tile map that I have here and breaking it down. I've seen a lot of other streamers doing it too, but that doesn't mean it's Clancy approved. I think the TOS still says that you're not supposed to combine chat because it detracts from the Twitch experience. You need to give Twitch priority over everything. But I might make that. It wouldn't be difficult. So here, Ian, let me show you what I'm thinking we can do here. I can open. All right, there's my dev sweeper. That was fun. That was fun. That's a project that made me officially professional. Oh yeah. That was grapple. Grapple. I have no Riz. Where the hell does it live? General. Go knows. LD57. Oh, okay. I named it that. We need to change that around. See? See, Gaming, I'm being nice. I'm being good. All right, Gaming, thank you for the lurk. All right, so where am I here? Then, so Ian, if you have any questions at all about Godot, I mean, so Unity and Godot are both similar, but they're definitely different. Godot initially started off being much gooder for 3D. They did it's kind of funny. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. They did something interesting when they said, hey, we're going to do 2D engine. And it's basically they just took an orthographic view of 3D and said, it's 2D! Yay! But if there are any questions that you have, please let me know. I'm not an expert. I'm not going to pretend to claim to be. Okay, now. Let's export as edging. Former drip under pressure. Under pressure. Pushing down on me. Pressure. Pushing down on me. Down on me. No man is strong. Under pressure. All right, so let's go back here. Let's take a look at the edge meta, edge material. And let's go to the assets here. Okay, so this is not... So this is stretching it all out, which I don't think is what it should be doing. Definitely not what it's supposed to be doing. Let's get rid of that altogether. Get rid of the fill texture. Do a new one. Is it under textures or material? Let's see. Oh, I love David Bowie and Queen, and them together is just amazing. Edge material. Shape material, edge meta materials, element 1, edge material. Add an element to textures. Add a material to textures. Can I just boom that? No. Do I need to do it as an image texture? No, that doesn't seem right either. Oh, David Bowie and Trent Reznor. Oh, I didn't know that they did anything. Is there something that I'm missing, like here? Because it's only getting it there. So do I need to... I don't get what is happening here, and it seems like maybe... Oh, all right, that's a cover of an original Bowie. We're having a whole conversation over on YouTube. I'm Afraid of Americans as a Trent Reznor, David Bowie. this is... I don't know what the hell is happening here. Flip edges, maybe? No? All right, let's go into GitHub and just see issues. Um, so the question is, trying to add texture to which space, like it being black. The way that this is supposed to work, the like perfect version of it is very similar to... I'm gonna pause the music for those not on YouTube. But okay, here is the demo of
Metadata
it.
resource to this slot. Open the resource, go into the edge material property, add an SS2D material edge resource to this slot, open that up, increase the array size of textures and drag and drop the texture into this slot. The plugin can be confusing at first, but you'll get used to it. To update the view, move one of the edges and you'll see the changed edge.
See, so
In
it's
the
supposed to
next
be
step,
where you
I'll
just
the
add
top
in...
texture. So I increase the array size of the metamaterials, add another SS2D material edge metadata, add another SS2D material edge, and inside there add a texture, a taper left texture and a taper right texture. After that, drag the shape, and that's not what I want.
So it's supposed to take the small, like, it's supposed to be almost like a tile map. Almost. What? What? Oh. But get the metamaterial here. I wonder if it's just not working because we don't have a fill material. So let's go over here. Ah, no. No. All right, let's grab on to this. It's going to be a very, very simple one. Make sure that it's going in there. Perfect. Okay, fill texture. All right, so there, we've got the fill. The fill works. I do wonder though if I were to nope, let's not. So fill texture is good. Fill texture, perfect. It's the rendering edges is good. That is good. Shape material, edge, metamaterial. We've got one. We've got a material here. I'm wondering if this material has something to do with it. The normal range shouldn't be anything. Turn off weld. Render we want. Z is relative, no. No offset. And I do wonder, okay, let's just... Okay, so this is interesting. Oh, did I? So the fill texture isn't doing anything. Texture. All right, it did. I don't think so. I'm basing this off of... Oh, hey, wait a minute. It's some weird... Oh, okay. Hold on. Um, okay, that's not doing anything there. Nope, that's not doing it either. Okay, so I didn't see any requirements here. Didn't see any requirements in it. Let's check though, asset creation.
All that's left to do is the annoying task of saving all the single elements out, the interesting blend effect into the fill texture, but the texture itself won't have such a big edge. I copy it into the big file when I'm done. And now all that's left to do is the annoying task of saving all the set to keep the transparency. I'll show you all the needed files in a second. But before we continue to that, I wanted to make the fill
The problem is
texture a little bit
he's
more
doing it with...
interesting, because on the original one you can quickly see a pattern.
He in that video he's doing it with Godot 3. Now I think that
To the edge. So this edge right now, in this slot, we need to select an edge meta material.
I can't see what version she's using.
Selected. The first one is for creating points.
4 years ago. This
So
this
inside of
isn't
Godot,
right
let's go to the
either.
asset library.
Some things are different now. Okay. Okay. Canvas item, texture. There we go. There it is. Okay, there we are. The edge material has to be a... Oh, man. Nope. Canvas texture. Is it diffuse or specular? I think it might be specular, isn't it? Nope, it's diffuse. Diffuse is albedo is. I will say I don't really love the. Hold on. I don't really love this part. Let me. Can I can't. There we go. Okay. No, what I'm getting at is how it kind of shifts it based on that. I think that there might be an option to skew. Mars, welcome in. Oh shit, ads are starting up. I'm having a meeting with my marketing team on Friday about it. Oh, and ads. So I'm gonna turn on words. I think. Turn the music back on because I was watching a video. And I will be back. Go, Mars, go. Go, Mars, go. Okay. Need one more. Need one more. One more good one. Come on. Come on. Just get it. Get it. Come on. Oh. Oh, oh, wrong one. Wrong one. All right, so this is kind of what we're going for here. Let me turn off the editor debug. Being able to create shapes like this that aren't, ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's not good. Oh, look at that, even better. So shapes like this instead. Now let's just see. See if you're going to walk. Nope, no shapes for the player. Look at that. Just instead of having everything... Here, let's stop. Everything like rigid like this. What T2P? T2P? So would this time set be a full map piece? So there would be several of these instead of having it hardened like this. So yeah, kinda. And I think that here, let's try something out here. Let's go back. Where the hell are you? Yeah. Okay, export. Rocks. Now I should be able to go in here. Let's look at the fill textures. Let's add another one here. Refresh. Oh, interesting. I wonder if I move this up. Okay, so that does that. Unless I need to make this also... Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, let's turn that off. Yeah, can't really see anything there. So let's rearrange it. Because right now it's got that. I want to see if we can make it gotcha, Mars, gotcha. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, that is not an inaccurate statement. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's set these off. Render offset. No, 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 no. So, Ian, are you... Hey, no, Nameless, what is up? Good to see you. Are you familiar with the game Jump King? Okay, fill. Yep, taper, taper, taper. Can I do anything about... All right, all right. We're going to watch me suffer for a bit here. You're welcome. I think I'll even turn on the ability for chat to mess with me. Okay, so it doesn't really matter if I do new game or continue because I'm horrible. Nope, that's not it. So this is Jump King. I don't even know. Ah, crap. Ah. So the game I'm making is kind of the opposite of this. You see, it's supposed to be a nice, rage-inducing, but it's kind of all one continuous... one continuous level. And of course, the way that I play it, it's more akin to Fall Guys. Although if you're watching on mobile and you turn your phone upside down, it looks like I'm doing really good. But this is the kind of game that I'm trying to make the opposite of. Get up there. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. No! And then if you do the wrong thing, you end up all the way at the bottom. And as you can see, I have not gotten very far. But something you can't stop. You want the you want that dopamine of making it to the next screen just to see what's there, and that's kind of what I was going for with the grappling game. Just similar. And the thing is, you can on this one you can walk back and forth, but you can't move when you're jumping. You can charge the jump, which is how that goes, and you can direct the jump, but you can't do anything once you're in the air. So, what is up, K-Mac back? Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a good Godot con. Hope you enjoyed the carry. Oh, god damn it. God damn it. Man, the man. Oh, no. No, 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 no. No, this is the inspiration. This is the inspiration for my game. But I'm trying to make it. What's going on here? Oh, you're done. You're done. Yes, I do have an idea of how not to start at the beginning, and I'll show you kind of the initial plan of that. So certain areas are going to direct to checkpoints, and that's where these one-way collision things are. So you can go up through it, but you can't fall back down. So it's one-way collision, and then you have to grapple to go. So if you get so far, what I want to do is have it so that you get directed back to a checkpoint. And the original version had the tile map down here. Where? Nope, nope. Had something like this. And a grapple point here. What the heck? Oh, I turn up. Whoa, whoa, hey, hey now. What the heck? You just said something about oh, there. That. Okay. God damn it. Whatever. Do I not? I don't think I even. Oh, I don't have a bottom. There. So there will be occasions, at least the goal is, where there'll be a blocked area. There will still be a chance that you can fall all the way back up, but you really have to mess up. At least that's a goal. And with this kind of background or shaping, like I can boom, boom. Make it a sharp angle here to ensure that person is going to go up. The hell? But I'm curious how to like make it so the fill isn't just like this. But yeah, K-Mac, it was great. Karaoke was a lot of fun. I hope that we have another GodotCon US next year. I didn't think it was going to be as good of a time as it was. And that's no offense meant to anybody who was there or, coming in, but I didn't know what to expect going into it. I almost thought it was going to be like, nothing but people like, look at my game, look at my game, look at my game the entire time. And that wasn't it. It was just having conversations about, hey, what are the best ways to do things? What are, y'all ever thought about doing things like this, or what are you working on type stuff? Okay, so we have that. This is where the question is, though. Also, Odious, good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome back. I don't think it said anything in the tutorial here about how to multiple texture. Normal range, yeah, I don't care about that. Oh, okay. Um, let's go back here and the fill shapes. I don't really care about the edges at this point. I just want to see if, oh, I think it's actually what he's talking about right now.
I doubled the original texture size and just removed a couple of stones here and there, copy and pasted some stones to different part of the image to just break up the pattern a little bit.
Okay, maybe not.
Here's an overview about all the files that I exported from Asaprite and will be using in the following example. The next step will be to create a new Godot project and to head over to the official GitHub page of SmartShape 2D. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Follow the installation steps on the GitHub page to install the plugin, and inside Godot go into the settings and activate the plugin. Magic Wand and delete all the selection. I'll fast forward the process from here. What I do is I create a set of props that matches the smart shape really well to make the smart shape more interesting.
Oh, geez.
Asteroid is really perfect for this, and I don't have a special plan for that. I just add some more objects. The more move all the elements into, you have a lot of different atlases.
Okay, so there's a prop tile map. Okay.
I'll repeat the process of the more unique tiles as an eye catcher in the scene. I want to place some tiles in front of the smart shape. So I duplicate. As you can see, now it matches the visual shape much better. With all the steps that I showed you so far,
don't care about that.
You should have a basic understanding of Smart Shape 2D. But I don't want to stop the video now. I want to try to improve the scene to make it more aesthetically.
I mean, it looks
I
cool.
hope you enjoyed the video.
It does look cool.
Leave a like, subscribe and hit the bell. You know the drill. If you enjoy the content on this channel and you're on Twitter, follow me there to get more updates and also be part of the process of developing new ideas for videos. So see you there. Have a great time.
This is Out of Control. How you doing? Welcome in.
See you the next time.
Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Are you killing it at Fortnite still? Are you destroying the world? Oh, Bit Gamey, if you're still around, you are the top clipper. Oh. I have not been able to wake up, like, for 3 days. I'm just trying to keep the eyes open. All right, so let's try to create a bit of a test level here. How can I duplicate let's hide the tiles. We'll keep the character. Oh, God damn it. Okay. Ooh. Let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. Transform. Yep, puts it right there. Oh, there's no quick way to make them all unique, are they? Is there? Oh, so what did I do over here then? What did I do over here to make them all What the actual hell? No, this was working. This was working yesterday. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That one was changed. Did I do anything over here? All right, all right, all right. I did something bad here. I don't know what it is. All of these, though, were not... The circle shape should have... Yeah, that should be its own thing. Did I... Couple range, shape radius. No, I don't need to add a child there. That's right. That's what we're doing. That's... This should fix it. There, okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, that was... Look at that. Look at that. It saved all of them. Okay. Oh. Great, 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 great. Just, who the hell are you? Let's disable all these. All right, so we got those disabled. Let me check someone over here. Brown, brown. Okay, there we go. All right. So we have the test here. We have the test. So basically what we're going to need is going to be setting up everything. We're going to hide the tiles here. What are you? Oh, it's a world boundary shape. Okay. Which I don't know if we're going to need, really. No, let's get rid of that. Canvas layer, what the hell do I have on there? Oh, particles. Yeah, cool, whatever. Ensign. No, no. And what are you? Oh, part of the toot sign. Hey, toot. Let's get a node here. Okay, what would I call it? Just platforms. Let's just call it platforms. Great. Good job. Now, what is the shape anchor and what you do? Why are you deprecated? Am I just supposed to use you? All right, let's start here. Yep, okay. So there's that. Now geometry, make unique. Yep. And it is canvas texture with a diffuse of that. All right, and then fill texture is going to be the same thing here. Okay, material edge metadata. And then let's turn off weld. There we go. Hey, Fallen, what is up? Weld. You know, we're just gonna mess with this for a bit to see how it do. We're gonna have to do something about the fill, though. I don't like that. All right, so we got one shape here. Let's make all the sub resources unique here.
Carrot bunny.
What? Uh-uh. That's not right. What the hell happened here? There was something about
Carrot bunny.
okay then. Very well done. Very well done. Normal, no. Shapes, material, no. I thought I saw something here about like duplicating. I don't hate you at all. Repeating textures and normal. No, that's not it. Resources maybe? Okay, let's see. Here. I do that. Okay. Don't go. Don't go. Nobody's saying to go. Right. So I think this does help. I mean, aside from the rock thing. I mean, I get it, kinda. But also, now I could do something like, all right, here's a point. Copy right there. Change the radius here. Let's just see how this look. Let's not talk about that. Let's pretend that never happened. Okay, so we have some work to do here. Boom. And away we go. Bye. All right, so let's fix this shape here. Then where's the thingy here about the edge? Okay, we'll deal with this later. I mean, maybe if maybe I just need to do something like something like that. Maybe I just need to do something like that. And move you there. Move you there. All right, let's try it out here. Let's try it. Here's where the big concern is. Where one of my big concerns is. If I fall, am I going to get stuck? Nope. Bye. um 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 that was not expected. Collision layer, collision mask. Layer mask. Wait, do I have... Oh. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's going to be tough. That is going to be tough. Ooh, I wonder if I can then edit edge tool here. Um, what? Check out game dev. What? Oh, in my in the Discord. Discord is broken. This is what my Discord window looks like right now. Off the rails. What is up? Yes, Discord is definitely. Oh, okay. Now it's back. Well done, Mars. Well done. Okay, so this creates a new problem. I mean, there are ways around it here. It lets you become the streamer off the rails. It puts you in the hot screen. So I'm almost thinking that for OTR, 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 off the rails tech, OTR, OT. Thanks for taking over. I mean, so the way that I have things in the level here is that certain things have multiple physics layers. I don't know that I can have multiple physics layers here. And how do I have it? And maybe I'm just not thinking about it the right way. Okay, tile set. Like the top has collision. Just collision mask 1. However, the bottoms have 1 and 2. Now, part of that has to do with colliding with the roof. And only colliding with the ups. I'm pretty sure this has the same... What? No? Oh, that's right. That only has 1, but it's when it hits one of these that it gets the hey, we've reached a stopping point. So I guess what I could do here is in the places where I know that it's going to pop back up to, we can do another like this. right, let's see if that fixes it. Come on, flying on up, flying on up. Boom. Oh, it did it. It did it. All right, let's see. Are we gonna, oh, yeah, yo, oh. Oh, this is good. This is good. We have potential. Now, the question for all y'all chat. Question for y'all. Is this, for the type of game I'm trying to make, is more organic shapes like curved and stuff? I'm gonna ask when I get back from break because I gotta pee. So I'm gonna turn on words a little bit early because I am doing the pee dance right now. So I would appreciate if you all get past level 2. Oh, yeah, got a pee. Uh-oh. Got a pee. I'll be back in a few.
take a different ship there. But yeah, 16 minutes on the Idris.
Is your
My mic is muted. I'm talking to myself and I'm welcoming you all in. I'm saying incredible. And Captain Inoso, welcome in. Good to see you. Glad you're here. Hope all's well. How are things going in the world of both Captain Inosa and Incredible? Hopefully everything is awesome. I am playing around with a thingy here. A new thingy. I kind of like it, but I have concerns. Oh, Captain Inosa. Ooh. You should try the new Doom game instead. You should definitely put the new Doom game, Dark Ages. Yeah, that's the one. Let's go ahead and install that while I'm thinking about it. Yeah, put it there. Yeah, I'm just gonna install it. How the hell did I get 16 minutes playing it? I haven't even opened it. That is some bullshit. So here is the thing that I'm playing with. Smart Shape 2D. Pros, I can make whatever shape I want. Right? I can make it so that you have no, so okay. You've been using it. Okay, good. Somebody who uses it. Is there a way to do things with the fill? Because I put in, I thought maybe putting in multiple fills would let me do the thing. But that doesn't appear to be the case. And what I mean by do the thing, like almost like randomized it a little bit. You see, I've got two fills here. If I swap them like this, I only have one. Just uses one fill. So the tutorial for it basically said, yeah, hey, if you wanna do this, then you have to make your own fill. But the tutorial was done in Godot 3, so I was hoping that that wasn't the case. Now, here's where I'm having trouble because I don't know a damn thing about indigestion. No, I know a lot about indigestion. I don't know a damn thing about level design. I know what looks good to me. I know what works barely. So I was using tile map. This is how I was doing level design. Tile map, kind of feeling my way through, but I find that the tiles kind of limit things a little bit. Like I can only have a 45-degree angle. This is 45, yeah, a 45-ish degree angle here because of the tiles. Now I could have other tiles, but I'd have to make a whole different set to make it less than 45 or greater than 45, depending on which side you're coming from. But with SS2D, I can pretty much do whatever. Like I can have the point over here. I could have the point here. I could have the point go all the way down here. So I like having the freedom to do this, but I don't know if this is the best way to do levels. I mean, maybe not so much organic shapes as in having so many curves but like angling here. So I am curious what y'all's thoughts are with this. And oh, cool. That's a cool thing. Yeah, I mean that does kind of work, but I don't know. I want to do things right. Oh, let me show you. Does this alter when I change it? What? Oh, bad. Bad, bad. Do you change with it? Oh, you do change with it. I don't quite understand the lines here. Like, okay, you see how the plus here is going back to these two. What that mean? Oh, it means that it's going to put the thing in between those two. Instead of what click on edge to split. Shift, yep. But if I just do a thing, it's going to, okay. So let's see if I can just edge. Ooh. Okay. Damn it, stop that. So I almost want to... Right, let's get rid of the collision shapes for now. Captain Minosa, do you have a fix for aside from if I have to do the thing to do a tapered edge and all that? Fine, whatever. But is there a fix for this on the edge that doesn't involve me creating a new tapered? Because I just started messing with this a little bit earlier today. Oh, there was something about... Or later, it dies. I wonder if it has to do with the height that I have on there. Let's go back to Ethbrite here. No, go away. Stop. Nobody wants the damn overlay. Wait, no. No, 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 no. This is out of control. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. I hope to see you on Saturday. Yeah, it's a... So if I do that, I think part of the problem that I just had was... Let's see. Was the the image itself, but yeah, I'm gonna have to do a taper something or other here, or pop in just a couple of these bad boys. Or I guess we could. No, I'm not ready for that yet. I'm not ready for that. I'm not good enough for that. I mean, the main thing that needs to happen is that if character goes here, falls down, goes boom, then gets blown up and does the whole flip, 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 whoop. That's the goal. Do-do, 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 do-do. Uh-oh. So yeah, we can do stuff with it. You're gonna need to do something for the inner corner here too. Do I have anything in ya? I don't know that I like weld. Weld just gives like too much angle there. You almost have to add extra points just to make things not look like poo-poo. I don't like it looking like boom boom. Nee, 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 nee. I like this. I like this a lot. Grapple point here. So I think if we have the sharper corners, did I do something weird with the scaling here? Why grapple point look big? All right, Kevin. Thank you for hanging out. Glad to have my Moltar back. Much, much, much appreciated on that. Ooh. All right, so in Discord, if you're not on the Discord, I would appreciate if you joined in, but I also understand that there are so many damn Discords all over the place. And everybody has Discord. And if everybody has a Discord and everybody joins everybody else's Discord, then it's going to be so many Discords. It's going to be Discord again. The Discord ellipse. Yeah, all that. But I'm trying to come up with stuff for next, or for Saturday, for what we're doing for the celebration. I was thinking, so historically, I have not had good luck with celebration stuff, and they never really go well. Like even fewer than usual people show up, which I get. You know, sometimes people don't just want to see bearded guy make code or struggle with dev. I get it. I get it. But yeah, I historically it hasn't had a good turnout. So I would like to know if anything that I could do differently or what kind of things we could do as as a group. Any games or um things to hang out and do. What's this? What is this? Oh, okay, okay. It tried to do the thingy. I like this. I like this. But okay. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. But yeah, so Saturday is gonna be a thing. And okay, so this is last year's. I tried doing a sack stream. No, no more. Giveaways throughout. Maybe I'll give away a couple shirts, a couple fourth wall shirts. Maybe I'll design some. Um, Emote design contest or best clips. Stream games that we could play together, maybe. Have people join in on Discord. We do have a way for chat to destroy me in Jump King. I will open it up if anybody wants to drop in. I'm going to open up the backstage and let people like knock and shit. Holy shit. Okay, well this is scared everybody off. Everybody said, "Freak that." Freak that, which I understand. I understand. I mean, come on. What the heck is this? So yeah, please give me ideas. Please show up if you can. Understand if you can't. But yeah, oh shit. All right. I just got a notification that there are power outages around me. I'm going to get out before power does end here. Or get shut off, shut down, whatever. Because apparently the wind is getting bad. So gonna say goodbye to y'all on YouTube. Bye 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 bye.